Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the hunting grounds, for lack of a better term for them. Gonna go do a little hunting again. Most likely it'll just be a nice walk in the woods. But sooner or later, I will find something. And then I will have to clean it, which will be the fun part of it all. But it's still nice to be able to come out here. So let's get Beauty out and see how she's doing. There she is. Oh, she's such a beauty. The key and unlock her. There we go. Beauty is now unlocked. Clear. So it is Saturday, October 31st, 2020. Halloween. Full moon was amazing when I was coming out here this morning. Kind of neat. It was really interesting to check out the full moon this morning. Quite the drive. Quite the drive all out here. Let's see if we get lucky, find ourselves something, or we just go for a nice walk. Got to get used to this sort of thing. Gonna have to do more and more of it in the coming years. Should probably do some more ammo stocking. That way I've got lots and lots of ammo. Nice thing about ammo, you store it right. Lasts for a very long time. That adds a lot of weight to the gun. Loading those up. Let's take along an extra 10 rounds, put them in the pocket. I don't know why I did that last week and make them loose. That was really a dumb thing to do. That gave me a rattle when I was walking, which of course the animals can hear. So it's a great morning. It's quiet. Not a lot going on. Got some work to do later today. I'm going to go for a bit of a walk around with the rifle and see what I can find. So let's pack the camera up because I never know if I might actually want to use it later. And we'll see what we've got. So welcome back to the tavern. Off we go. So it was a good morning for a walk through the woods. Heard some frogs, saw a grouse, saw some deer poop. Got a beautiful picture of a bonsai tree. Really not out a whole hell of a lot, but it is such a wonderful day. Happy Halloween, everyone. Guys, you don't want bullets lying around in your gun. Well, I don't have to empty them yet, but I'm going to. So, do this nice and smoothly. That's all of them. One fell down here, and one of them hit the ground. Not bad. All right. Ooh, that's not good. Sitting in the gun, tips are getting squashed. That's interesting. Very interesting. I did that last week too. Yeah. Our last one too. That's interesting. Well, I'm going to take these ones to the range and fire them off. Put the other bullets away. I can put Beauty away in a few minutes. Let's see. Wait a minute. There's no way I had all these. Oh no, there. Look at another package of new ones. Never actually gave it that much attention. I think I need to. Let's take a look-see. What we got? Oh, they already are. They're flat-nosed. They're flat. Not rounded, but they're flat. Okay. Well, that's interesting. I never noticed that. Well, the things you notice when you suddenly have to. Alright, so I want to make some breakfast. So I think what I'm going to do is get out my nice new stove. Find some sticks and light it up. Boil some water.